How to make voice calls in Session application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Session lets you make end-to-end encrypted voice calls with your contacts so you can have private conversations without sharing your phone number. First of all, before calling someone on Session, make sure they've accepted your contact request and you are added in each other's account. Now open up the Session app and go ahead and open up the chat or the conversation with one of your friends you want to call. And once you're inside the conversation page, go ahead and tap on this receiver icon at the top right corner. Now allow Session to make voice and video calls on your device by clicking Settings. And now click on Enable. You will be able to enable the voice or video call option. Now open up the conversation thread and tap the receiver, and there you are making the call. Wait for your other contact to receive the phone call, and there you have it. Once you're finished, you can tap on the end call button and you are done. So that is how you can easily make voice calls using Session application on your smartphone or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.